Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be the first video of this year 2021, and I hope this year will be a great year for each and every one of us on everything from learning new things and filled up with a lot of happiness. I just want to give a lot more great content to my community in this year, and I hope I'll be doing that. You might already seen the title and thumbnail, so that you will know that I named this drawing as Hope. Friends, if you see this drawing a while, you will understand why I'm saying that. Friends, we all are symbolizing elephants for the power, strength and hope, and this drawing will mainly say that. You might not understand what I'm trying to say right now, but in the end of this video you will know that. Friends, it's been 5 days since I have uploaded any video. It's because of my semester exams and it's been over, and yeah, it's going to be over today. And friends, a new thing came. I'm just looking forward for a job, a 9 to 6 job, to buy some new things, and I don't know how I'm going to manage it, but let's see. Friends, in this drawing you can see an baby elephant or calf just standing in front of a water and seeing its reflection as a well-grown elephant. It could not happen by a magic. It is a process, and it will take a lot of time, work, experience, learnings and lot more things. So, as like the same, we all are having dreams in our heart and we just want to achieve them. But it could not happen without the work you put into it. So, yeah, I hope you understand that. A lot of us are working for our dreams, but some of us are not. So, I just want a video to show this thing to you all, guys. So, here is it, my friends. I hope you understand the thing, and I want to present a beautiful content for the first video of this year, and I hope this video shown you what is hope and how it is turned into success. Yeah, I'm not a succeeded person, but this is the process, right? I hope you all are feeling the same. And friends, this is the drawing, friends. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And until you are watching this, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video.